Welcome on Cricket Studio channel. India Australia second test day 1. India is a win first test 1-0 lead. Australia day night test match. Uh, Australia 86 won at Stump was India in Adelaide. Australia top. India was Australia test day 1. Earlier India skipper Rohit Sharma win the toss and opted to bat first. Australian Mitchell Starc snapped up 6 wicket to reduce India to 180 all out. Nitesh Kumar Reddy was the top scorer for India with a 42 runs. Australia and day one strongly at 86 1 Manas at with Nathan and Manas at the crease. They host still trial by 94 runs in the second test against India at the Adelaide Oval Adelaide on Friday. Earlier, Indian captain Rohit Sharma win the toss, opted to bat first. Australia Mitchell Starc snapped up 6 wicket to reduce India to 180 all out. Nitesh Kumar Reddy was the top scorer for India with 42 runs. India has lead the series 1-0 after they have thrashed Australia by 295 runs in Perth. Well, that they done and dusted, and it was purely dominated by Australia. There was a brief period when Khwaja got out. It felt like was be seeing Perth reply again. However, both MC and Manas have ensured that it is not the case, and there is another side to this story. India did bowl well, but it was not good enough. They were not at their sharpest like they were in Perth. There were some good deliveries from time to time, but mostly there was a lot nothing deliveries that the batters could leave easily. Well, need a better bowling performance from India tomorrow. Do join the partnership between Nathan, MC, and Manas is picking place here. They looked like they could not lay that bat on the ball entirely, but as they spend time in the middle, things have gotten easier, and now they both are looking to make a big score tomorrow. We are coming to the close of play here. The way Australia has batted in this inning shows that this wicket is not as bad as the Indian batters made it look. Yes, there were some good deliveries, but it time there were also some poor shot from the Indian batters. The conditions are looking good for batting tomorrow. Well, be even better than today with the softer ball, and both MC and Manas have done the hard work. It is there for them to take. If India has to get back into the game, they need to pick at least one wicket in the next 10 minutes or so. The bad body language of Indian fielders has changed in the last 50 minutes or so. This has to do with how resolute both Manas and MC have shown. They defended well and left the ball nicely. Most importantly, they have played their shot when the bowlers did bowl a bad ball. Also, Rohit does tend to let things drifty away where he just take an over or too long to change tactics or change spell or bowlers. It might bear fruits at time, but when it does not come off, it does look ugly and make him look like a negative and defensive captain. Siraj is to Siraj is into his sixth over in this spell. He has started to slip in a few bouncers in a spell, which is a good thing. However, it should be directed at the head of the batter. Both batters have been ducking at those with ace, and the ball is flying over. They have not bowled badly, did the Indians, but it is just being that much more subtle with their lines and lengths. At this point, they are not missing but by much, but they are missing it. Nevertheless, it is seem like Rohit should bring back Bumrah for a spell here with 13:35 minutes to go. The India Australia pink ball test in Adelaide was disrupted by a fluky floodlight. This caused frequent interruption to the game, especially during the 12 pace when Australia was trying to build a partnership. वी एंडेड लाइव स्ट्रीम मिलते हैं अब आपको अगली वीडियो, फिलहाल तक के लिए मुझे